Talk to Angie channel. Today on my channel, I'll be cooking oven baked chicken. I'm going to be serving this chicken with oven chips and salad. It is a healthy option for those of you who are on a diet. Now, a friend visited me on bank holiday and she said she really enjoyed the meal I served her and she requested I should please make the chicken on my channel so people can see and learn how I did the chicken. I want to say a big thank you to her. You know yourself. Thank you for the beautiful gift you brought for me. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Now guys, come with me. Let's journey together while we cook this delicious meal. Now, as you can see, my chicken is prepped and ready. And you can see in between the chicken, I have cut 2 lines. I did that to help the seasoning to penetrate in properly, to help it taste really nice. Also, I've got my ginger and garlic ready. I have also got my paprika ready. I've also got my suya kebab seasoning ready. I love adding suya kebab seasoning into my fish, my chicken, name it, because it does have this beautiful taste and that barbecue kind of feeling to the chicken or whatever you had it to. As you can see, I've got my scotch bonnet ready, my bell pepper ready, my onion ready. I've also got my jumbo seasoning and Maggi ready. I've also got my curry and thyme ready and my salt to taste. Now, I'm going to be adding my rapeseed oil later on when blending. I have also got my chips ready in the tray, ready to go into the oven. As you can see, it's waiting to be put into the oven. Now, that tray at the back, I've got my foil paper on it. That is where I will be putting the chicken that will be going into the oven. Now, we are going to start by blending the seasoning. I'm going to be adding everything I just showed you earlier, the curry, the thyme, everything. I'm going to be blending all together. And see, I've got inside my blender the scotch bonnet ready, bell pepper, my ginger, my garlic, my onion ready to blend. I'm now going to add my Maggi cube, thyme and curry. I'm also going to add my jumbo seasoning with salt to taste. I'm also going to now add my kebab suya powder. Remember, I'm not going to add my paprika at this stage. Now, you can add a little bit of water before blending. Be careful so you don't overdo it. Just a little bit of water. We don't want it to be watery. We want it to be solid, so as to help mix into the chicken easily. As you can see, it's blending. Now I'm going to quickly add a little bit of oil. This oil I just added now is rapeseed oil. You can also use olive oil depending on your preference. As you can see, I'm going to be blending the oil with the oil seasoning. It is ready, so we're going to pour it into the chicken, and this time around we are using our hands to mix the chicken. This is because we want the seasoning to penetrate inside the chicken. Please remember to wash your hands before mixing the chicken. Now I'm going to be rubbing in the sauce into the chicken. And remember, I did say our paprika was not blended into the seasoning. After rubbing it a bit, I'm now going to add the paprika and rub it in. Please be careful. Make sure you don't touch your eyes. Paprika is a bit hot. Paprika is really nice when you add it to the chicken because it's got its own lovely taste that it does add to the chicken. Now the chicken is properly rubbed in and ready. So I'm going to use cling film to cover it and allow it to marinate for 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to be putting this in the fridge. For some people, they leave it overnight. You can leave it as long as you want, depending on your choice. But for me, I'm going to be leaving it for now 2 to 3 hours. It's been 3 hours and I've placed the chicken on the tray ready to go into the oven. I have turned on my oven to 220 degrees and it is preheated and ready. So I'm going to put the chicken into the oven and allow it to cook for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. As you can see, the chicken is inside the oven and baking. Now it has cooked for 15 minutes. So I'm going to be turning the chicken to the other side. And as you do this, please, all the juice, you can take it from the tray and add it to the other side. As you do this, if you still have some blended sauce left, please, you can still top it up. Keep topping it up and allow it to cook for 15 minutes, and you bring it out and keep turning it to the other side until it is golden brown and crispy. Keep doing it. Do not say, oh, this is taking too much time. You work hard. So when it's time for you to eat good food, spend time, make yourself that restaurant classy food and enjoy your life. Look at that color. Isn't that yummy? Isn't that inviting? I'll be putting back the chicken into the oven and the chips will be going in to the oven also. For the chips, it takes maximum 30 minutes to cook. So yes, we are almost there. Wow, our chicken and chips is ready. Guys, look at that beautiful, yummy, inviting chicken. It is waiting for somebody to dissect it. Are you going to join me? Come on, join me. Let's eat together. I'm going to be plating my food right now. Come with me. Food have been served. Wow, look at that. Isn't that yummy? My oven baked crispy chicken served with salad and chips. You can have it with your orange juice or any juice of your choice. You can use any kind of dressing on your salad. Wow, you cannot go wrong with this kind of meal. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me, encourage your sister, and please don't forget to share my video and also like the video. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye. Ciao.